You can customize a number of vehicle settings according to your preference, and you can do it all through the touchscreen. For example, you can lock your vehicle from outside with just the push of the lock button on your key fob. The turn signals will flash and the horn will sound to let you know the vehicle is locked. But if it's nighttime and you don't want to disturb anyone, go into your Settings menu, select Doors and Locks, then select Sound Horn with Lock. You can choose to sound the horn on the first or second press of the key fob, or select Off if you'd like to deactivate this feature. It's as easy as that. You can customize many other features as well. You can select lights and then Headlight Off Delay and choose between a 0, 30, 60, or 90-second delay before the headlights turn off after the engine has been turned off. It's a great feature that can light your way to the door at night. So set up your vehicle your way. This video is not intended to take the place of your owner's manual. For complete details and other important safety information, please see your owner's information.